Larson Electronics wall-pack LED downlight fixture provides operators with a powerful and energy-efficient alternative to traditional hazardous location luminaries. This Class 1 Division 1 and 2, Class 2 Division 1 and 2 explosion-proof light fixture provides 6,000 lumens of high-quality light while drawing only 70 watts. This LED light is available in 360 and 180-degree beam spreads. The copper-free aluminum alloy body is powder-coated for added durability and an attractive aesthetic appearance. This light achieves an excellent 100,000-hour rated lifespan. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.